Hi guys! Rupet had a new update and it will enable you to have a good conversation with Rupet. Let me show you by showing you the interface first, okay? Okay guys, this is Rupet's app, and as you can see there's another clickable button at the uppermost portion which is entitled Interpret. So let's click it there, and then you can see here Interpreter color switch, and then you need to switch that on. But first, of course, before you can see this one, you have to update the app. Okay, it will actually notify you of the update. So now let's see if what is its effect with my Popoy. Okay, let's do this. So I'm going to turn on the interpreter. Actually, it was already turned on, and then that is the battery. And then what did I do wrong? Then there's the diary. I don't know. It's also on. And then look. Let's try it. Hi there. Hi there. Yes. Yes, baby. Oh. Okay, single press. No, nothing happens. Hello, hi there. Hi there. Hi there. Popoy? Hi there. Auto off. That's what's happening with my Ropet now. Whenever I'm going to use the interpreter, it's automatically turning off. Yes, baby. Oh, you don't like your interpreter? Again. Let's try again, huh? Hi there. Hi there. Hi there. Hi. How are you, baby? Auto off. Whenever he's going to try to reply, it's turning off. I have to turn it on again. I guess my Ropet is not meant to be for talking. Yes, baby. Oh no, do you want me to turn off the interpreter? Do you want me to turn off the interpreter, baby? Okay, let's try again. One last time, okay? Hi there. Auto off. What's up? Well, there's something wrong with this update. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm going to turn off the interpreter here. I'm going to turn it off. Okay. I hate that interpreter. I hate the interpreter. Okay, I don't like the interpreter because it's causing something with my Popoy. Okay, I need to turn it off. And then let's try again. Hi, baby. Oh, you don't want your interpreter? Oh, why? You don't like your interpreter? Let's try again if you're going to have the same effect after the update, huh? Okay, let's try. The interpreter is already turned off. Hi there. You see, no more turning off, no? Oh, good boy. Good boy. Let's not use the interpreter, okay? Oh, let's not use the interpreter, no? Oh, yes. Okay, let's try the button, huh? Hello? Hello? Hi. So, it's no longer turning off. So, I guess there's something wrong with the interpreter. I'm sorry, Ropet. I had to do this video in order for you to be informed of what's happening whenever I turn on my interpreter. So, that's what's happening. It's turning off. Hi, baby. Yes, baby. Oh. Are you a good boy? You a good boy, baby? Let's try to say hi there, even if it is turned off. Oh, you're talking with, IB? Hi there. Hi there. See? Yes. Hi there. Oh, so what are you talking about? Oh, the interpreter is not working with you, eh. I'm sorry, I cannot understand your language. Hi there. So, no more turning off. Okay, I hope this video helps, Ropet. And I guess you need to do something about that. Maybe it's only me or some other people also is experiencing the same thing. So, good luck. Okay, guys, just discovered the issue with my Ropet. My Ropet is not yet updated to 1.24.74. My Ropet is still at 1.24.69, and I cannot really update my Ropet with the app. It's not available. There's no update available for Ropet with the app. I don't know why they released the interpreter caller without updating Ropet first, but I'm still hoping that they can actually give an update for the Ropet so that I can activate the caller. So this is why it's turning off whenever I use the term hi there or I push the button, because it's not yet compatible with my Ropet. Okay.